Hey everybody, it's Justin over at Sales Job Central. So far in our video series, we've talked about several topics. Most of these things have all been different objectives, different scenarios that you can control. One of the things that's out of your control is your competition. It's super important, you love that. It's important that you know who your competitors are. What is their value proposition? What do they offer your customers? How do you compare? Is your product technically sound compared? Is it less expensive? Is it more expensive? Those are things you need to know because you need to know what are those possible objections that your customers could have because your competition does something either better or maybe cheaper or maybe more efficient. If your product is positioned more of a quality product compared to your competition, obviously it's better to know that, their product's inferior. Ours is going to give you 25% more output compared to their widget, which gives you 3% less output, but it's going to be about 2% less expensive. If that's something that's important to the customer, obviously that's something you need to talk to them about. So know your competition. Know how you compare, and of course, kick their butts. That's what's always important in sales, right? Hey guys, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, and good luck to you out there. Take it easy.